if you've never gardened before and you're wondering what to grow first, let me save you some time and frustration because everything is not beginner friendly. Hey, everybody, welcome to the garden. If you're new and thinking about where to begin, it's so important that you think about this before you go out shopping. You want to choose that things that are easy, that will grow with you, that won't fight you, that won't end up dead every time you turn around. So things like leafy greens, lettuce, spinach, kale, they're easy to grow. They're fairly easy to grow. Pretty forgiving these are. Herbs are the same thing, mint, parsley, chives, any one of them. And this encourages you too because they're easy to grow, nice when it comes to harvesting time. So you want to start with these. Another thing to start with, zinnias, marigolds, they're so pretty. And these serve to encourage you as well. They're fairly easy to grow. Now, you want to stay away from peppers, tomatoes, and things of that nature because they're very demanding and that might discourage you. So, starting off with pretty flowers like these, most of these are annuals, is a good way to start, a very good way to start your gardening journey. So again, just let me know what you're thinking, what you want to start with, and let's grow together. So easy. Um, Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.